Benefits of garlic for sleep apnea treatment. Introduction to sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a serious sleep disorder characterized by repeated interruptions in breathing during sleep. This condition can significantly impact overall health and well-being, leading to issues such as daytime fatigue, cardiovascular problems, and decreased quality of life. Understanding garlic's medicinal properties. Garlic has been used for centuries due to its medicinal properties. It offers numerous health benefits, including improved respiratory function, known for its ability to enhance immune system function and reduce inflammation. Garlic's impact on respiratory health. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that play a significant role in improving respiratory health. These compounds help reduce airway inflammation, which can alleviate symptoms associated with respiratory conditions. Reducing inflammation with garlic. Garlic possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the throat. This reduction in inflammation may alleviate symptoms of sleep apnea. Garlic's role in enhancing sleep quality. Garlic promotes relaxation, which is essential for enhancing sleep quality. Its natural compounds help in reducing stress, leading to better overall rest. Antioxidant benefits of garlic. Garlic is packed with antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage. Regular consumption of garlic can contribute to improved immune function and reduced inflammation. Garlic and blood pressure regulation. Garlic is known for its ability to help regulate blood pressure. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for promoting healthy sleep patterns. By regulating blood pressure, garlic can contribute to reducing episodes of sleep apnea. Natural remedies. Garlic's historical use. Garlic has been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties, particularly in treating respiratory issues and sleep disturbances. Ancient cultures utilized garlic as a natural remedy to alleviate symptoms and promote overall well-being. Its potent compounds are believed to enhance respiratory function and improve sleep quality. Natural remedies. Garlic's historical use. Garlic has been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties, particularly in treating respiratory issues and sleep disturbances. Ancient cultures utilized garlic as a natural remedy to alleviate symptoms and promote overall well-being. Its potent compounds are believed to enhance respiratory function and improve sleep quality. Scientific studies on garlic and sleep apnea. Recent scientific studies have investigated the potential benefits of garlic for sleep apnea treatment. The studies suggest that garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can improve airway function and reduce sleep disruptions. Garlic supplements, a practical guide. Convenience. Garlic supplements provide an easy and practical way to incorporate garlic into your diet without the need for fresh garlic preparation. Consistent dosage. These supplements ensure a consistent dosage, allowing for better management of intake for those using garlic as a treatment for sleep apnea. Dietary integration. Incorporating garlic. Garlic can be easily integrated into various dishes, adding flavor and nutritional value. It can be used in salads, soups, and as a seasoning for meats and vegetables. Potential side effects and considerations. consultation, digestive issues, allergic reactions, interaction with medications, dosage. Garlic in traditional medicine. Garlic has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its potent healing properties. Known to support respiratory health, garlic is often utilized to alleviate symptoms associated with respiratory ailments. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it a valuable natural remedy in various cultures. Lifestyle changes complementing garlic treatment: weight management, regular exercise, healthy diet. Case studies, success stories: John's journey, Emily's experience, Michael's recovery. Comparing garlic with other natural treatments: garlic, lavender, valerian root, peppermint. Garlic's role in holistic health. Garlic is a powerful natural remedy that contributes significantly to holistic health. Future research directions: investigate the bioactive compounds in garlic that may contribute to respiratory health. Conduct clinical trials to assess the efficacy of garlic in treating sleep apnea. Practical tips for garlic use: choosing fresh garlic, proper storage. Summary of key benefits: anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant support, respiratory health.